Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the XIDAX X-6 gaming desktop PC. Click the link below for the best price. If you're serious about high-end gaming, content creation, or simply want a no-compromise desktop built with premium parts and expert craftsmanship, the XIDAX X-6 delivers in every category. With cutting-edge components, sleek aesthetics, and professional assembly, all backed by a US-based company, this system is designed to offer elite performance right out of the box. Let's start with the centerpiece of this build, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800x3D processor. This is AMD's flagship gaming CPU, featuring their game-changing 3D V-cache technology for enhanced L3 cache and lower latency. With boosted clock speeds and top-tier single-core performance, this processor is engineered for maximum FPS in competitive titles and incredible responsiveness in demanding tasks. Whether you're gaming at high refresh rates, streaming, or running simulations, the Ryzen 7 9800x3D handles it with power to spare. Now pair that CPU with the monster GPU in this build, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16GB of DDR5 RAM. This next-generation graphics card is built for 4K gaming, real-time ray tracing, and AI-powered upscaling through DLSS 3.5. It crushes even the most demanding games, offering ultra settings, maxed-out visuals, and high frame rates without compromise. Whether you're diving into Cyberpunk 2077 with full ray tracing or pushing over 200 FPS in Fortnite, this GPU keeps your gameplay smooth and stunning. Moving on to memory, you get 32GB of high-speed RAM, configured as 2x16GB for dual-channel performance. This ensures fast access speeds and stability whether you're gaming, streaming, editing video, or running heavy multitasking workloads. 32GB gives you the headroom for everything from modded games and virtual machines to creative software and background processes, without any bottlenecks. Storage is also well covered with a 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD. This drive provides lightning-fast read and write speeds, which means near-instant boot times, rapid game and software loading, and smooth real-time file access. You'll have plenty of space for your entire game library, media collection, and professional projects, and it's all stored on one high-performance solid-state drive. Now, let's talk about the design. The ONAMI White chassis offers a clean, minimalist aesthetic that stands out without being flashy. The white finish is crisp and modern, and it pairs beautifully with RGB accents that you can customize to match your setup. It's a perfect blend of style and airflow, keeping temperatures down while turning heads on any desk or battle station. Every XIDAX system is assembled and serviced in Utah, which means you're getting top-quality craftsmanship and real customer support from a US-based team. Each machine is built by professionals, cable-managed for airflow and cleanliness, and stress-tested before it ever ships out. That attention to detail shows up not only in performance but in reliability over time. Of course, this rig ships with genuine Windows 11 Home pre-installed. That gives you access to the latest gaming optimizations, auto HDR, direct storage support, and a sleek interface that's optimized for both work and play. You're ready to game or create right out of the box. From esports domination to 4K content creation, the XIDAX X-6 gaming desktop is a premium powerhouse. You're getting top-tier components, expert assembly, and a beautiful build, all backed by a team that's committed to performance and support. If you want a desktop that's ready for the future, built for serious gamers and professionals alike, and crafted with care, this is it. Click the link below for the best price. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.